change is no longer a future threat. It's happening now.
Today, I would like to talk about the importance of protecting our environment. The environment gives us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. However, because of pollution, deforestation, and improper waste disposal, our planet is suffering. Climate change is causing stronger storm, rising temperatures, and floods, plastic waste, and polluting our ocean and harming marine life. These problems are not just global issues, they affect our communities and our future. But there is hope we can make a difference by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, use, and recycle. We can save electricity and water, plant trees, and properly dispose of our waste. Small action, when done together, can create big change.